Okay, today we're in the wood shop.
Yeah, and we're making a good bed.
We're making a bed. Yes, that's right. Pumpkin has a hard time coming in the wood shop because she doesn't like her little hanging thing anymore. So we're trying to figure out how we're going to take this old mattress from her crib and maybe make something cool for her. She wants it right on the assembly table, but I don't know if that's going to work. She got some good ideas, though. She's something else. All right. We'll keep you guys posted.
Heck around. And every time. Oh,
So I don't know if this is a good thing or a bad thing, but she has a play phone that she said she's got to post her TikTok now on the wood shop. Yeah, she's 4. I am screwed. Ah! She's chasing me with the blower. Help me! Ah!
Hey, bye, guys.
Okay, she's freaking out. So we ended up doing the elevated one, and then we're gonna put her a little spot down here. We're gonna get rid of all this, but that's the update. Thumbs up, everybody. She's freaking out. Okay, update. Pumpkin's little spot. She's even got shutters. What do you think?
Voila.
Voila. Yeah.
Hey, what do you think of my home? And this is my new home. I can love it and
We just gotta, now we gotta build a safe ladder and we're good to go.